Welcome back, students. Welcome to the session number 1 from the playlist of magnetism and matter. So, in this playlist, we will be discussing some of the key topics which include the current loop as a magnetic dipole. So, I will be discussing about this topic in the today's session. And apart from that, the other key topics include the bar magnets, the magnetic field lines, the Earth's magnetism, the magnetic behavior of materials, hysteresis curve, and the electromagnets. So these are some of the key topics which will be discussed in this playlist of magnetism and matter. And today I will be discussing about the current loop, the topic of current loop as a magnetic dipole. So with the regards to this topic, I have written one important point which will briefly describe the current loop as a magnetic dipole. So as we all know that the current loop behaves like a magnetic dipole, and its magnetic dipole moment is given by this formula, that is Pm is equal to N into I into A, where N is the number of turns of the current loop, and I is the current which is flowing through it, and A is the area of cross section. So if R is the radius of the coil, then the area of cross section will be equal to pi r square. And if so, this formula, that is the dipole moment Pm is equal to NIA, can be written as Ni pi r square, and from this equation I have written the value of the current in terms of the dipole moment. So I is equal to Pm divided by N pi r square, when N is the number of turns in this current loop. Now we also know that the magnetic field at the center of a current carrying loop is having N turns and radius r is given by this formula, that is B is equal to mu naught Ni divided by 2r. So if I substitute the value of this current in this equation number 2, then I will be getting the magnetic field at the center of this of the center of a current carrying loop having N turns and radius r in terms of the dipole moment, that is B will be equal to mu naught N upon 2r, and the value of I has been substituted from this equation number 1, which is equal to Pm divided by N pi r square. So finally we are getting the magnetic field at the center of a current carrying loop having N turns and radius r in terms of the dipole moment, and this is equal to mu naught into Pm divided by 2 pi into r cube, where Pm is the dipole moment of this current loop. So this is all I have for this session, that is the topic of a current loop as a magnetic dipole. In the next session we will be discussing about the bar magnet, and thereafter we will be discussing about the magnetic field lines and the Earth's magnetism, the magnetic behavior of materials, the hysteresis curve, this electromagnets. So these are some of the important or you can say the key topics which will be discussed in the chapter of magnetism and matter. So here this is a very important formula, that is B is equal to mu naught into Pm divided by 2 pi r cube, and this is the magnetic field at the center of a current carrying loop in terms of the dipole moment. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session we will be discussing about the bar magnet. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.